gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit that subscribe button so you're a part of my YouTube family. My doorbell rang and I went downstairs and it was my baby girl. With the new seasons, you guys know I like to always do my FabFitFun unboxing, and today I'm actually partnering up with FabFitFun to share with you their winter seasonal box. If you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription service where it provides you with full-size lifestyle, beauty, fashion, health products, all for just $49.99. But if you guys use my code NICOLETTAXO, you can get $10 off your first box. So this entire box will be $39.99, and there is over $200 worth of product in the box. A lot of the times from the other boxes I've received, it's over $300. FabFitFun does ship to the US, Canada, and the UK. So I will have the link for it down below, as well as my discount code, and you can also customize some of the items in your box. So if you want to be able to get the items you want, then definitely go pick one up right now before they go out. Comment down below, what is your favorite season? I'm curious to know. On that note, let's just jump right into the video. It honestly feels like Christmas every single time I receive my box. Oh, the inside is so cute. It just has this hot pink detailing with the snow and the houses and the trees. Every single season they partner up with a different charity, and they also like to promote female-founded companies. For today's box, it is in support of the women's Alzheimer's movement, which I think is amazing. And I love that they not only provide quality products, of course, but I just love to support the brand as a whole, and I just love what they represent. Every box comes with their FabFitFun seasonal magazine. So inside the magazine, they just always talk about the different products. It's also going to talk about the co-founder of the women's Alzheimer's movement. They have a bunch of good things to go through. I always like to go through this at the end, of course. So I'm just gonna jump right into the box. They always give you a bunch of different coupons at the top of the box. $100 off any purple mattress. That is amazing. This is so cool. It actually shows you how the mattress feels. I think that's such a cool tactic. We also have a $30 gift card for free sterling. You get another discount off your next box, as well as HelloFresh gift card, which is really great. So I love how they always give you coupon codes as well, and kind of like little gift cards, because that's really great, especially now that the holidays are around the corner. These are gonna come in handy. Inside, it's just wrapped really cute, and I'm just gonna undo it. I am so ungraceful, we all know this. First thing I see, let's just grab this big thing here. The first thing I pulled out of the box is this blanket. This is actually the Unhigh-Low Marshmallow, and it is a faux fur white blanket, which is gonna come in handy because I love blankets and it is super cold in Toronto. You definitely believe I will be cozying up with this thing. It actually retails for $65, which is crazy because this alone is more than the entire box. And like I said, if you guys use my code NICOLETTAXO, you could get $10 off, so your box will be $39.99, and this bad boy is already $65. Wow, blows my mind how this box is worth so much, but you're getting it for such a good price, and you're getting to also try out different brands. I also think it's also a really great gift for the holiday season. You can never go wrong with a good quality fluffy blanket. I want to pick up this one next. It caught my interest, so it just looks like this, which is really cute packaging. It is the original pink makeup eraser. This retails for $20, and it actually says that from waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. So that's crazy that it also removes waterproof makeup, so I'm super excited to try this out. It says that it's antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, great for sensitive skin, and saves money. That is true. If I love this, I'm gonna be so happy because makeup remover wipes are such a waste of money, so this is really gonna help. So your girl is not disappointed. It also says it's cruelty-free and it's vegan friendly. We love that. This next thing I see is a coffee scrub. Ooh, I love that. I've actually always wanted to try this brand. So this is the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. It's 100% natural exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. And I actually have done little DIY coffee scrubs on my channel, so I know coffee scrubs are amazing for the body, and I can't wait to try this out. It says you should use 2 to 3 times per week for best results. And it comes with coffee grounds, of course. It also has almond oil, vitamin E, and sea salt. This retails for $16.95. I also love the packaging. I am such a sucker for packaging. It's a problem. I literally give in to packaging like crazy. It is also vegan friendly, so we love that. Oh, I love this. Next I see is just the Adore Stack and Sparkle. It looks like it is a bracelet, which I love dainty jewelry and I don't have really much, so I'm super excited to wear it, and I love the fact that it's rose gold. It also says that it's available at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and AdoreJewelry.com, and it says crystals from Swarovski. Swarovski? I can never say that, but you guys know what I mean. This retails for $39. I love how this box comes with a variety of things, from fashion to lifestyle products to beauty products. So the next thing I see are just a pair of slippers. They might be a little bit too big for me because I have small feet, and this is a size medium large, but nonetheless they are so cute. These are the PJ Savage Faux Trim Cable Slippers. They retail for $45. They look super comfortable, super cozy. I love the color. I think neutrals is the way to my heart. Speaking of neutrals, I also see this little bag or purse, I think. It looks like it's a crossbody. This is the Vouvray Sidekick crossbody bag. It retails for $17.99. I love the gray color. I don't have any purses in gray. You guys know I live in crossbody purses. You best believe that I'm gonna get my use out of this one for sure. I also love the little stitch detailing of the purse. I think that's really adorable. I actually haven't heard of this brand either. I definitely wanna look up their purses online. So I'll definitely have to do that after this video. I have 2 more products in my box. The first one I see is the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, which Dry Bar has amazing products. They always smell so bomb, so I'm so excited to try this out. I use heat protectants and detanglers all the time because I definitely need it. It does say it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This one says that it retails for $23. And it is a lightweight detangler. It uses biotin, vitamin B and C, and sea berry oil to protect the hair against heat. It has amazing ingredients that are great for the hair, so I'm always on the lookout for new hair products. I always like to find good ones that help protect my hair, help give it that shine. And the last thing I see is, ooh, that I'm gonna have a hard time with this one. Casio. You guys will see when I show you up close. This is the Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. I actually need a good hand wash, so I'm probably gonna use this as a hand wash, but I guess I could try it as body wash too. But this sounds amazing because Epsom salt is amazing for the skin. This retails for $39.95. It says that it calms your senses as you cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, provitamin B5, and shea butter. It definitely smells like lavender. It smells so relaxing. If you had a long day, take a nice warm bath, use this, and you'll feel so much more relaxed. But those are all of the things in my FabFitFun box. I absolutely love everything. This box never disappoints me. I'm telling you, it is my favorite subscription service on the market. I definitely recommend checking it out. It will be linked down below, as well as my discount code NICOLETTAXO, which will get you $10 off your first box. Definitely go check it out. Get your boxes now because they do go out fast. And make sure you customize the items that you want. There are different items that you can customize into your box that maybe I didn't get, so definitely go check it out. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I upload every single week, and click the bell to be notified every single time I upload videos like this. But on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!
It's not for me to say.